All right, Ashley, yes, and it's going to be a great weekend just to be out and about. We are going to be nice and seasonal. You don't have to deal with the rain gear at all. Radar and satellite composite not picking up on a whole lot, and we're also starting to get rid of some of those clouds now. So clouds will continue to decrease from the west to the east, and the cold fronts down off towards the south. And I will reiterate, the first cold fronts down off to the south. We do have two cold fronts. This one is going to move through, and this is going to just reinforce the cooler air and also the windy conditions as the day goes along. So speaking of the winds, how windy is it going to get, Lynette? Well, it's going to get up to about 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts as we go throughout the day. Prepare for that. And we're also going to be talking about that northwesterly wind. So that's a cool, chillier wind coming in here. And speaking of the chilly conditions, not so much for this morning. I'd say we're more on the coolish side of things. And with that said, you still will need a jacket, a light jacket, maybe long sleeves, a sweater, especially for the kids if they're going to be at the bus stop this morning. So we look at these temperatures, and we're in the mid-50s really all across the board. 53 degrees right now in Owings Mills. Widening out the view around Cockeysville, we're seeing that as well. It's 52 degrees right now in Reisterstown, Sykesville, 53 in Joppatown this morning. Cecilton, you're at 53 along with Northeast, and across the Eastern Shore coming in at 54 in Centerville, and also Chestertown this morning. Essex, Lithicum, both coming in at 55. Elkridge, you're at 55 as well. Jessup, 55, and Severn, you're coming in at 56 degrees. Last stop on the temperature tour, because we've had a lot of temperatures this morning. Let's go to OC. That temperature there coming in right around 56 degrees. Now, ABC2's most accurate futurecast not picking up on a whole lot. Again, stepping out of the way, you can see for yourself, not even dealing with a whole lot of clouds as we go through the rest of the afternoon today, tomorrow, into Sunday. It is going to be a magnificent day. Leave the umbrellas, have the sunglasses. It's going to be nice and seasonal. So if you are not a fan of the 70s, which we had for the past 2 days, the 70s are gone as of now. So we're going to be left with temperatures seasonal. I'm going with a high right around 63 degrees today. We should be at 61 degrees now for this time of the year. 61, 60 degrees. As we check out what's going on in terms of that 7-day forecast, well, here it is for you. And you can see we stay pretty seasonal as we go across the board here. We try to do another warm-up next Tuesday, but still just on the mild side of things, and we do stay dry. Once again, I want to reiterate, don't forget to fall back. And also, you can check your smoke detectors as well when you do that as well. Let's get a check of the traffic now with Lauren.